If you're cruising, magnetic hooks are one of those items you'll wonder, how on earth did I ever travel without them? When I was shopping for them, I decided to go with the heavy duty 30-pound version. My thinking was simple, go big or go home, right? And honestly, these things are strong. In fact, the hardest part was getting them separated when they arrived because they were all stacked together in the box. So, pro tip, when you pack them for your next trip, overlap them instead of stacking them directly on top of each other. It makes them so much easier to separate later. I use these hooks every day on the cruise. They held my hanging organizers, hats, robe, towel, and even wet swimwear. And it helped me turn my cabin walls into extra storage space. Cruise cabins don't offer much storage, so being able to use their metal walls for hanging things made a huge difference. These are one of the most useful cruise essentials I packed, and they'll definitely be going with me on future cruises. And these are Tracy approved.